There is a never-ending relationship between your emotions and your money. Yeah. So if you're struggling to increase your financial capacity, you should definitely not be making these financial emotional mistakes. First, the desire for instant gratification. It's a buying world, so it's easy to surrender to impulsive buying, prioritizing the pleasures of what you want now over long-term financial security. Secondly, FOMO, the fear of missing out. This fear can lead us astray from the latest gadgets to the trendiest vacation destination. People become tempted to spend beyond their means, jeopardizing their financial health. And then the third one, there is the comparison trap. Constantly measuring your financial status against other people's own will breed discontent and push you into unnecessary debt to maintain an illusion of success. But who are you deceiving? The next one is emotional investment. Emotional investment is another common financial emotional mistake we make. Fear and greed often clouds our judgment, leading to rash investment decisions that may not help our financial goals. And lastly, that taboo surrounding money and emotions can hinder our growth. You know how you avoid conversations about your finances, or how you avoid seeking help when you need it and keeping your financial status to yourself where there could be help. This taboo can worsen your financial strength, and it could be as a result of ego and as a result of the idea that you should never ask for help. It can also delay your journey towards financial freedom. Which of the 5 mistakes are you making? That is awareness, and it's time to make better decisions. Each of your financial decisions should be tied to your financial goal. And when you do that, you're practicing emotional intelligence.